Abdi. My name is Nadia Fidaraini.
My name is Rishda Zanawa.
My name is Yulfitri.
Okay, so this is video. I will make the video for teaching, and we use the PJBL model teaching.
We choose audio-visual media, is PPT and link video YouTube.
Yes.
I'm so happy watching.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Wassalamualaikum
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
How are you guys?
Good.
Excellent. It's great to meet you today. So to start, can I ask you guys, did you have a breakfast this morning?
Yummy.
Oh, wonderful. Did you make their own drink this morning, like tea, maybe coffee, or glass of warm milk?
Yes, me.
Great. Okay, a few of you did. So I want you to think for a second. When you made that drink, what did you do? Did you randomly threw everything together, or did you follow certain steps?
Follow certain techniques.
Okay, exactly. You follow step one by one in order, and without realizing it, you were already applying what we call a produced text in your life. Amazing, right?
Yes.
So today our lesson is going to be familiar is procedure text. Okay. I want to show you this slide PPT. Okay, before I show you the PPT, I want to do a quick activity. I'm going to say a word, and I want you to show the first thing that comes to your mind. Okay?
Yes.
The word is recipe.
Food.
Exactly. The recipe is connecting to cooking, ingredients, and step. All of those are connected to procedure text. A recipe is actually one of the most common examples of a procedure text that we use every single day. So today we are going to explore procedure text. What it is, how it's structured, how to write one, and most importantly, you are going to create your very own procedure text video. Okay, now let's see this slide. Okay, this is a procedure text, and then in this course we have a learning objective. The number one is the student must be identify the three part of structure of procedure text. This is goal, materials, and step. The number two is write. The student compose a procedure text correctly using proper vocabulary, sentence structure, and language. And the last one is procedure. The student must be record a short video of a procedure text, how to make tea or something with detail and creativity.
Hi guys, are you ready to learn something useful today? Anyone?
Yes.
Okay, I love that energy. So today we are going to learn about the procedure text. Anyone know what is the procedure text before?
Maybe it's something.
Make something. Alright. 50-50. So a procedure text is a text that provides step-by-step instruction, like how to do something. It is the purpose to guide the reader can useful, successful, complete the process of steps. Example in daily life, receive book. Anyone know what the receive book three structures. One, goals, material, and step. What does mean goals? Rishda? Text procedure text have three structures. One, goals, materials, and step. Anyone know what is this about goal? What goals? What mean goals in the procedure text?
The goals mean tell the reader what the text is about.
Yes, what they will make or adds that a little instruction. What do you need to before you begin? And two is material. List everything that you need before you begin, like ingredients, tool, and equipment. And last, step. Step is main body. You know that?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Can you explain that?
If we don't know step, that is not personal text.
Oh, good job. The step like all action and sequence, the first and two lines. The most important that structure. Okay. Before that, can you guessing what the example of the procedure text?
Maybe make some food or drink.
Exactly. Okay, I want to show you example in procedure text. Example in. Okay, I want to show you guys example of the procedure text. And here example is how to make a simple cup of tea. Yes. Anyone making tea for that?
Yes.
In here, what is goal? Can you read the goals?
The goal is to make a warm and refreshing cup of tea.
And the materials?
1 tea bag, 200 ml hot water,
Yes.
1 tablespoon
Yes.
sugar, and 1 cup or milk.
Alright, that's good. In here, we know that goals, materials, step. This is a structure of the procedure text. In here, we can see the step first. Prepare a clean of cup or mold. Place the tea bag inside the cup. Pour 200 ml of water into the cup. Like you can see 4, 5, 6, and 7. And 7 is you want the cup is ready to serve and enjoy. Guys, before that, I want to show you example of how to make a simple cup of tea, because this will be your final assignment. This is the video. Let's watch it.
Halo, my name is Anila Rahman. I'm from Bachelor of Physics and Chemistry Society. So I will tell you how to make a tea. Materials and tools: spoon, a glass, bread, sugar, and butter. Step 1. Put some sugar based on how you like it.
before the continue, watch this. This is to example for your final. So before that, I will continue to next slide that explain the language features.
Alright everyone, so now we know what a procedural text looks like, but knowing the structure is only half of the story.
Yes.
The other story is knowing how to write it properly, and that's all about language features. Okay, I'm going to explain to you 3 key language features that every good procedural text must have. And here we go. Alright. The first one is imperative verb. Do you know what is imperative verb?
I don't know. Yes, miss.
Okay, it's okay. I will tell you. Imperative verb. Now, alright everyone. So now we know what a procedural text looks like, but knowing the structure is only half of the story. The other half story is knowing how to write it properly, and that's all about language features.
Yes.
I'm going to explain to you 3 key language features that every good procedural text must have.
Alright.
And then features number 1 is imperative verb, also known as command verb or action verb. In a procedural text, every step starts with a verb in its base form, a command. We don't say you should pour the water or I am pouring the water. We are simply pour the water. Direct, clear action. Okay, let me give you some example of imperative verb. There are pour, steer, place, remove, prepare, fold, make. Now I want to test you. I'm going to show you 2 sentences, and I want to tell me which one use the correct imperative verb form. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Now I want to test you. I'm going to tell you 2 sentences, and I want you to tell me which one use the correct imperative verb form. Ready?
Ready.
Sentence A, you need to add sugar into the cup, and sentence B, add sugar into the cup. Which one is correct for procedural text?
I think A.
A.
Oh.
Yes, Nabila. Sentence B is correct. Add sugar into the cup. Short, direct, and commanding. That's what we want.
Alright.
Well done. So now we next to language feature 2. Temporal connective. These words are incredibly important because they show the reader in what order the step should be done. Without them, your step would feel disconnected and confusing.
Alright. I see.
Can you see that?
Yes,
This
Miss.
is example of temporal connective.
Word.
First, then, next, after that, while, finally.
Ooh.
Let me show you the difference.
Alright.
So, listen carefully.
Yes, miss.
Without second word, boil the water, place the tea bag, pour the water, remove the tea bag, add sugar. And the next example is with sequence word. First, boil the water, then place the water into the cup. Next, pour the hot water into the cup. After that, Let it sit for 2 until 3 minutes. Finally, remove the tea bag and add sugar. Can you feel the difference? Yes.
Oh my God, can you explain that?
Second version flow naturally and is much easier to follow, right?
Yes.
Exactly. Sequence words
Yeah.
are like GPS for your reader. They guide them for one step to next step without getting lost. So next, the last feature number 3, specific and precise language. One is so important and often overlooked. In a procedure text, Fegu language is your enemy. Every instruction must be clear, exact, and measurable. Okay, let me give you a quick game. I'll say a sentence and I want you to tell me, is it specific enough or does it need to be improved? Okay, sentence 1. Add some sugar. What do you think? Not enough.
Yes, I think that.
But
Need complete sentence.
that's right, not specific enough. How much sugar? 1 spoon? 5 spoon?
Yes.
We don't know.
Yes.
A better version would be add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now we know exactly how much.
Yes.
Okay, next sentence 2. Wait for a while. What do you think?
It is not complete sentence, right?
Yeah.
What if you
Correct again. Too fast. A while could mean 10 seconds or 10 minutes. Better wait for exactly 3 minutes.
Alright.
Perfect.
Oh yeah.
And the last sentence 3. Pour hot water into the cup.
Put hot water into
Into the cup.
I think it's correct sentence.
Yeah, this one is okay, but can we make it even better?
Yes, of course.
Yes. Pour 200 ml or of hot water, approximately 19 Celsius into the cup. Now that details. So remember in a good procedure text, every single detail matters, and that's exactly the level of detail we expect for your project today. Any question about language features before we move on?
No, please.
No question.
So good. I understand.
So now we move on to the next slide. Okay, everyone. The next slide. It is moment you've been waiting for. Okay, it's time for your activity. Yay! But before I explain, let me ask for you all.
Yes.
Are you feeling confident about personal text now?
Yes, of course.
Okay. I can see. Alright. Here's what's going to happen. I will give you your project, your final project, okay?
Yes, please.
Create a short video of personal text on how to make your chosen tea more detailed, more specific, and more creative than the example before, okay?
Yes, please.
You can choose any type of tea you like. Here are some ideas to inspire you all. Milk tea or bubble tea, lemon honey tea, milk tea, brown sugar, boba, and peppermint tea, and the last which I
video your final project.
Yes, miss.
And step 3, record the video.
Yes.
Two, 3 until 5 minutes.
Okay. Yes, miss.
Of course, using your phones. Keep step clear and present agent.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, miss.
And last, step 4, present in the front of class.
Oh.
Really presentation in class.
Yes, and you must show your video, your project. Okay? Now let's talk about how your will be assessed. Your video and personal text will be evaluated based on 4 criteria.
Yes.
I want you to keep this in mind as you work. The first, we're looking for complete of structure. Okay.
Yes, miss.
That excellent, good, fair, or needs work. 2. That's excellent, good, fair, or needs work. Okay. And the second one is logical sequence. Nah, are you step in the correct order and easy to follow or hard to follow? And the next one is language features that you use imperative verb and sequence word correctly. And the last assessment is how you creativity your video. Yes, that's. You understand?
Yes.
Alright, before we begin the activity, let me do a quick recap of everything we covered today. Recap and first the text, something we use every day, and past structure before that's I explained goals, material, steps before. You will understand then?
Yes, miss.
Okay, and the next 3 language features: imperative, verb, temporal connective, and specific language. And the last one is narration. Create a detailed product text video about making tea.
Alright. Yes, yes.
Okay, before we close, does anyone have any final question before we begin? Wait.
No question, miss.
No question. Okay, then let's go. You have your time. Good luck, everyone.
Yes,
On
miss.
your final project, okay?
Yes,
Miss, what's time the deadline this video?
Oh, okay. Deadline 2 weeks, okay?
Oh, 2 weeks.
Okay. I will can share you a link Google Drive to submit. Okay?
Thank you, miss.
Okay, I think that's all for today. I'm so sorry if I make a mistake. And thank you for your attention. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, miss.